Good evening, everybody. I am Anamika, your educator, on the behalf of Multi Edu Hub. You know, my channel uh, give you so many videos about the subjects of physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, and I take the live classes of science and maths. So today I take the live class of the math. Our topic is middle term factor. First title, what is the middle term factor and why you need this one? Because factorization is one of the main part in the class 8, and it also little bit start in the some school also started it the class 7 also. So 7 to 10 factorization is algebraic part. In the algebraic part, factorization is one of the main part. So before exam, please clear your all doubt and practice maths with me so that you can score a good marks in the exam. In the maths, what's happened, if you be confident, you can do anything. Okay, let's start. X square plus 12x minus 45. Please join with me. Please join with me and clear your all doubts. Why it is called the middle term factors? Middle term factor in the factorization, there are lots of ways. There is common, take the common, put the formulas, and that is the different type of way to solve the factorization. Why it is called middle term factor? Because in the middle part, we break the middle part and solve the mass, and for that reason it is called the middle term factors. Then how can you understand your which mass is in the middle term factor and which mass in another process? How can you understand? Look, there is a power is 2 and there is a power is 1, and there is no power, no variable, and no power also. Then in the middle term factor, the power is decreasing. Means in general it starts square, then 1, 0. No variable, and that is no power. In this way, if you must come in the question paper, then you understand it is a middle term factor. And one more thing, if it is come x4, then square, and then 0, it is also middle term factor, because there is jumping, means 4, 3 gapping, 2, 1 gapping, 0, power 0. It is also middle term factor. Okay. Now, how can I do? First, in the middle term factor, 2 things you check. Number 1, this one. What's the number? Third number is you check. Check the number. And check the sign also. साइन चेक करना है. Check sign. Why it is needs check the sign? You break 12. 12 you break down the 12. But how can you break? Is it addition? By addition you get 12 or minus subtraction you get 12. How can you decide it? The if it is minus, then you make 12 by minus. If it is plus, then you make 12 by plus. Okay? Okay? Now, I start. First, you do 45. You make the 45, you factorization method, you use prime factor number. Don't use any composite number. So, 2 it is not 3, so it is 15. 3, then it is 5. Now questions. How can you use it? There is 3, 3 and 5. So, I want 12. So, you can this one first you check. 3 into 3, 9. And you take addition or subtraction only one time, not more time. Others all time you do it multiplication. So, it is not. 9 minus 5, it is 4. So, it is not. Now, next. So, it is not okay. Now, you do the second thing. 3 into 5, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. Okay? Our answer comes 12. So, what is the first procedure? Number 1, you check the sign. Before the last digit, you check the sign. If it is plus, means you use plus sign. If it is minus, then you use minus sign. So, now the second line. X square plus 12. You break it. 12 minus 3. Now, it is 12 15. 15 minus 3x minus 45. Okay? Now, what I am doing? I remove the bracket and multiply the x with this digit. X square plus 15x minus 3x minus 45. Please join with me. First math can't understand. Second math you can't understand. From the third math you can understand everything. So please sit down, join with me, clear your all ideas and practice the math with me. Now look, I remove the bracket and multiply the digit by the x. Okay. Now I take the common because common is the one of the main process in the factorization. So I take common. In that cases I take first I check two numbers. Here I take x. Okay. Then what is the rest? There is the 2x square. There is the power of the x is x square. Means 2x. I take 1x. So it is x plus 5. Then listen. I take minus 3. When I take minus common, inside the sign must be changed. Please notice this line. When I take minus common, inside sign must be changed. So I take minus 3. So x come and that is minus. It should be changed. It is plus. Plus 50. And one more thing. If these two common parts are same, it means your math is okay. So, one is x plus 5, x plus 5. So, I write x plus 15, not 5. And this one is x minus 3. X plus 5, x minus 3 is our answer. it, please complete the math from the board, and if there is any doubt, write in the chat box. Can I rub it? X square plus 12x minus 45. It is the first math. Now I go to the next math. You don't think that all maths are the same. Forty plus 3x minus x square. Forty plus 3x minus x square. Question is that, is it a middle term factor? Yes, it is a middle term factor. How can you understand? You check the maths first. What is the checking rule of the middle term factor? You check the power. You check the power. You check the power. Look, x power 2, then x power 1, and there is no x, means power decreasing. It's not compulsory. You always x square come first. It is not compulsory. X square come the end. It is also right. Okay. Then what? First you check it is a middle term factor or not. Yes, it is middle term factor. Then you check what you check. You check middle term factor means you break the middle part, means 3x. You make it the 3x. But how can you make the 3? You make the 3 plus or minus, any one process. How can you decide it? You check this sign. If it is minus, means through the minus you make the 3. And if it is there is plus, then it is plus. Now that is one more thing. Okay, there is a 40 and there is 1. X square before there is number is 1. On and the last mass, what is the difference between last mass and this mass? Last mass, the number is the right side, so I break the number, there is no problem. But here there is no number, there is x square, and the numerical part of the x square is 1. In that cases, what you are doing, there is 1 and 4 multiplied, it is 40. Because the number, only the number part is the left part, so you are confusing. So I take you do this way. There is 1 and no number means 1. So 1 and 40 means 40. Now the same process repeat. You make the prime factorization method you use. 2, 20, 2, 10, 2. Now what you are doing? 8, 3. Now you make this one. 40 plus. You make 3 by minus. So you write 8 minus 3x minus x square. Now I remove the bracket. 40 minus 8x minus 3x minus x square. Clear? Now I take the common. First one, from the first one I take the common. The now common is 8. First you complete. Complete it. Five plus x. 8 minus x. If anybody write in this way, x plus 5 and minus x plus 8, it is also right. In that cases 5 plus x and x plus 5, okay. And in that cases there is a minus sign of x, you can write minus x plus 8. In some books you can get the result in this way, it is also okay. Please complete the maths. Please complete the maths. Now, I will go. Can I wrap it? Now the third maths is the test for you. You complete and after that I will do it. A square plus 3a minus 88. Let's start. I give you 1 minute time. You complete it. After that, I will do. You check it. Please complete the maths. Who can complete it? Please write the answer in the chat box. Now I start. First, what I am doing, 88. I break it. Prime factorization method, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 11. I want 3. But how can I write this 3? It is by minus because before it there is a minus sign. Who will complete the math? Please write in the chat box answer. So I can write 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 8. 11 minus 8 equal to 3. Okay? Now, a square plus 11 minus 8 minus 88. Remove the bracket. A square plus 11a minus 8a minus 88. Now, take the common from the first two. First two, check. There is a common. So, I write a. A plus 11. And here is the twist. What is the main mistake by the student? What's happened? They common 8. And after that, there is a minus sign. There is a minus sign. So, what's happened? They write a minus 11. Is it right? Is it right? I tell you now how to check the math. I tell you if these two common parts are not equal, then the math is not okay. And one more thing, when I take the minus, there is a minus sign. So when I common minus, so inside there is a plus sign. Okay. So a plus 11 and a minus 8. Okay. Please complete it. A plus 11 or a minus 8. Adya and Avigan is okay. Please give a big clap for them. Next maths. It is little bit hard, but you try to do it. You try to do it. What is the math? X plus 2 whole square minus 6 x plus 2 and then plus 9 x plus 2 whole square 6x plus 2 plus 9. Is it a middle term factor? Can you tell anything? Can you clear this idea? Is it a middle term factor? How can you understand it? Yes, it is a middle term factor. How can you understand? Check one thing. There is a number is x plus 2. It is not x. That is a one number is more. X plus 2, then x plus 2, both are same common number. But there is a power is square and there is power is nothing means 1 and there is no variable. So it is middle term factor. But for your safe side, I tell one thing. How can you do? Not to do directly. First you write let x plus 2 equal to p. You can write any other variable, no problem, but first you use a variable. You make the math easy. Then it is p square minus 6p plus 9. I made the math easy. Now you make it middle-term factor. You do it. First you do it. Write the answer, then I will start. Look, p square minus 6p plus 9. What I am telling? There is a 9 and look, there is no numbers. Before before p square means this variable, there is no number. If there is number, you multiply it and then you use prime factorization method. But there is 1. So I do 1 into 9 means 9. Now prime factorization method start. 3. Okay. Now question is how can I make 6? Is it a plus or a minus? Yes, it is a plus. How can you check this sign? Before 9 there is a plus sign. So I use plus. So how can I write? P square minus, you make this one 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So you can write 3 plus 3 p plus 9. Clear? Now you remove the bracket and multiply it by p. P square minus 3p plus minus minus plus minus minus 3p minus 9. Now you take the common from the first two. Common is p. P minus 3 and there is minus 3 common. P minus 3. So, one is P minus 3 and another one is P minus 3. Is here the math finish? Please, anybody tell me, here the math finish or not? No, the math not finished because P is not our mass. From the mass, our mass is x plus 2. So you write here in this line, put the value of P. Please write this line. Without this line, you can't put the value of P. So, put the value of P. So, what is the value of P? X plus 2. So, I write x plus 2 and then minus 3. And one more time I write x plus 2 minus 3. If you think I put the value of the P and it is finished, no, it is not finished. You plus or minus you do here. Here there is the x and there is minus 1. Why it is minus 1? Plus 2 and minus 3. You calculate it. It is 1 and 3 is a bigger one. Before bigger one, the minus sign is present. So write minus 1. So on here the same thing, x minus 1. So this is our answer. Please give a big double star in this math. X minus 1 and x minus 1, please. It is most important maths. One more time I tell the maths. It is quite different maths. Here that is x plus 2 whole square minus 6 x plus 2 plus 9. Okay, first you check it. It is a middle term factor or not. I do the math one more time and repeat it. Yes, it is middle term factor. How can you understand? Look, there is a here x plus 2 is the one main numbers. So here is a square. Then the power is decreasing 1 and there is no x plus 2 number. So it is a middle term factor. Then how can you do it? You check the number. You check there is a plus. Means middle term factor means middle part you break down. Middle part means middle number, not the x part. Okay? X, Y, Z, this is a variable part. You divide only, you break down only the numerical part. Here there is a 6. Clear? So what is there in what I'm telling? If there is any number, you can multiply. But there is no number, there is means it is 1. So 1 into 9 means 9. Now you make the 9 prime factorization method. 9, 3, 3. Now 3 plus 3, it is 6. So I write there is. At first I make it x plus 2, I take a variable p to make it simple. P square minus 6p plus 9. Now I make the 6, 3 plus 3 I write it. Okay. Remove the bracket and multiply it with p. So minus 3p plus minus 3p plus 9. And after the first two numbers I take and take the common. There is a p, I take common, p minus 3. And there is minus 3, I tell you when you take the minus common at that time inside the sign is changed. And that is the plus. So it should be the minor. That is a minor. P minus 3 and p minus 3. But here the math is not completed. I put the value. I put the value p of x plus 2 minus 3 or x plus 2 minus 3. Then you calculation it x minus 1 and x minus 1. Who not complete, please complete the maths. A square minus 14a minus 51. A square minus 14a minus 51. I give you 1 minute time. The students, you complete the math. After 1 minute, I will start. Please complete the math. Please complete the maths. What is the rules? There is, first you check it, there is any number or not. Yes, there is nothing, so it is 1. Why I start from this step? Because sometimes in the math there is number also. There is number also. So at that time you should multiply it. So for that reason, from the beginning I start in this way. You multiply the number, there is 1, so you should multiply it 1, and it is habituated. Otherwise when there is number you miss it. So 51 plus 1. 51. Now make it. 51, 3, 17 and 1. Now what is the second step? You check it. What I want 14. How can I make it? I break the 14. But how can you make this one? By the subtract. Because before that there is a subtract. Okay, now you do and I also do. A square. 17 minus 3 equal to 14. You can do it in this way. A square minus 17 minus 3 bracket A minus 51. Understand? I make the 14 by in this way. I write the 14 in this way. 17 minus 3. The middle part of the mass I break down, so it is called middle term factor. Okay, you do this one. Now you complete it. What I am doing, I remove the bracket and multiply A with all the numbers. In the inside the brackets, I multiply the number. So it is A square minus 17A. And you know now, when there is minus and minus means plus. So plus 3A and minus 51. This line is clear? What I am doing? I just remove the bracket and multiply the numbers. And after that, take the common. First two one you do. A. Who complete the math? Please write the answer. A minus 17. And then question is, here I take plus sign, then why the inside the before the sign of the 51 not change? Because there is a rule, if there is minus sign take common, then only that cases the in front of the last digit the number should change, only for minus taking. Otherwise when you take the plus there are no changes. Please focus that point. There is A minus 17 and A plus 3. A minus 17 and A plus 3 is our answer. Please complete the maths. Please complete the maths. Please complete the maths. Next one, you do. I'm not help you because already this type of maths I do. 96 minus 4x minus x square. You complete the maths. Second number mass and this mass are the same. Here number first and the square is last. You follow the second number maths. Now I start. 12 minus 8. 96 minus 12 minus 8x minus x square. Why I do it my minus? Because in front there is minus sign, so I did by minus. Remove the bracket. 96 minus 12x minus minus plus 8x minus x square. I remove the bracket. Then what I am doing? I take the common. I take x and that is x square, so I take x, 8 minus x. Is the right mass is right? Yes. Both are same. So 8 minus x and 12 plus x. It is our answer. Now I try to make a mass for you. Do not know it is okay or not. Next, it is easy maths. A square plus 2a minus 3. Complete it. Now complete the mass. Now what do this one? First I break the 3. 3, 1. A square. 3 minus 1. This 3. Remove the bracket. A square plus 3a minus a minus 3. Why I practice same type of maths more? Because when the exam come, you can do it confidently. No confusion. A common, a plus 3 a plus 3. A plus 3 and a minus 1. Complete the maths. Complete the maths. it is the last one. This is our last math. Please complete it. And I finish my today's live class. 5x square plus 12x plus 7. It is quite different from other maths. Because why it is quite different? Because here you look, there is a variable and one number is also, and the last number is also. So what the main mistake is there? Generally what's happened, student only prime factorization use only 7, but this is not the way. First what you are doing, 5 into 7 means 35. First you multiply the numbers and then you start the prime factorization method. Do first do 5 plus 7 is become 12. So 5x square plus 5 plus 7x plus 7. 5x square plus, remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. X plus 1 and 5x plus 7. Then one question is come. Here 5 plus 7, I write. But if I write a 7 plus 5, is it okay? Yes, it is also okay, no problem. But why I write 5 plus 7? Because in front is 5. So if I write the first 5, then it is easy to common. If you write 7, no problem. In that cases, this one is coming in the common factor and this one is coming next. Okay, both are the same. For easy, I do this one. 5 write the first and take the common easily. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel and wait for the next live class, because weekly 1 or 2 or 3 class I will give for the all students. Not only math. Math is a prime numbers, prime factors, because most of the time the kids can't do the math. So you please subscribe my channel, and thanks everybody who joined in my live classes and watch my video. For online and offline classes, please, this is my numbers 9930400683. If you need any online or offline classes, please contact this number, send the message. Thank you. বুঝলি অঙ্কগুলো আগের দিন পারলে করতে না, হতে দেয় না।